Hi, my name is Jeremy.
Hello, I'm Stage Show. This was Connection and Musicality, Level 3, Week 1. More focused on connection this part of the month.
Yep, we talked about connecting using our fingerpits.
Yeah, gross, right? But it works. And also, like, we did a lot of things to talk about how do we connect, which, like, maybe we talked about when you were first starting, but now you have a little more brain capacity.
We talked about bending your knees.
Yeah, in general, most people needed a deeper handhold than they were used to. There's a little more like fingertips, which causes problems upstream, right? Makes your arms tense, your shoulders, your wrists.
Bend our knees. Use the middle of our foot.
Talk about the shape of our shoulder blades and not letting those go, not letting this go back too far.
And then we put all that to use doing a sugar push number like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
There was more that we talked about. If you were there and remember it, we'll see you next